Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Let's create random effect using Rotate and Shape Builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. Draw reference circle 200 by 200 dimensions using ellipse. Align vertically and horizontally center. On top of it, draw circle 400 by 400 dimensions using ellipse. Top align with the reference circle. Select Object and go to Rotate 360 degrees divided by 8 is equal to 45. Alt plus click for equal 360 degrees distribution. Ctrl plus D to duplicate. Select Object and go to Shape Builder. Press shortcut key equals M. Click on Object Create Shapes. To deselect, press Alt plus click. Finally, select Object and apply 3-color gradient. And change the gradient direction, as shown. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.